Okay, so before we go, I wanted you to see a little bit of the parking and how people park at the Ascent. So this is the street, and this is Houston Street, and this is the American Airlines Center. And so here's the parking garage, and there's a few parking spaces there, mostly for future residents and touring. And then you go right back in there, and then that's where the parking is. You can go park if you go to the right, and then you exit on the left. So it's a great parking area, and very easy to access. And that's important because even though you do have the American Airlines Center right here, right next to you, and it's a busy area, this is a two-way, and you can quickly get in and out in this area. I also want you to just see and get a little of this vibe here. And this is 4 p.m. on a Tuesday, and already it's just got a great feel. People are out and about, walking their dogs, kind of walking around, maybe getting off work, or maybe they've been at the house and just kind of working from home and starting to get out. But anyway, it's just a great vibe. It feels awesome. So I want to encourage you to go ahead and sign up for our free apartment service just to find your perfect luxury apartment in Dallas. We're local, and we'll help you find an amazing apartment here in Victory Park or in Uptown and any of the other areas nearby. It'll be perfect, it'll be stress-free, and save an incredible amount of time. And you get local help, and it's 100% free service. You can sign up for our service at uptown101.com/search. That's uptown101.com/search. And you can also go to our uptown101.com site and look up all the other videos we've done of apartments and attractions in this area. And you can just check out what's going on. We're the only service that does this, that goes out, takes videos so you can see the real life of where you're going to be living and enjoying. That's it today. I hope you enjoyed the Ascent at Victory Park, this wonderful residence and this tour. Talk to you soon.